This is a 1964 Impala Super Sport, and I'm taking you on my journey to transform this classic car into a rolling masterpiece. Along the way, I'll reveal my process as a color designer, the challenges, and the incredible artists who bring my vision to life. But this isn't just about my passion for cars. It's about pushing boundaries, celebrating female empowerment. This is about using my years of experience in the car industry to embrace my Latina roots and create something that is full of color, style, and most of all,
oh my gosh,
personality. This is her driving style.